Okay, so let's flip over on the back. Skating. From 100 feet away, your friend skates towards you and then passes by you. She skates at a constant speed of 20 feet per second. Her distance d from you in feet after 2 seconds is given by, we've got the equation here, d equals the absolute value of 100 minus 20t. At what time is she 40 feet from you? Okay, so now, where do you think this 40 is going to go in at?
Inside.
Which one? Does it go in for D or for T?
D.
D, right? It's distance, right? 40 feet, distance versus time is not time, okay? So I've got 40 equals absolute value of 100 minus 20t. Is everybody okay with that so far? Just plug in the 40. Okay, is the absolute value already isolated?
Yes.
Yes, it is. Okay, so isolated, so then what do we do once it's isolated? Okay, so I have 40 equals 100 minus 20t. And then I've got negative 40 equals 100 minus 20t. Is everybody okay with that? Okay, so write your two equations. All right, so now how would you solve this first one here? What would we do first? Good, subtract the 100 off. So I'm going to subtract 100. So I've got negative 60 and a negative 20t on the other side. Is everybody okay with that?
Yep.
And then we're going to do what? Okay, when we divide by 20, what's 60 divided by 20? 3. Very good. A negative on a negative will be a positive 3. Okay. All right, going to do the same thing on the other side, right? We're going to start by subtracting 100 from both sides. All right, so if I have negative 40 and negative 100. 140, good, equals negative 20t. Now divide by negative 20. And guys, keep in mind that your zeros can technically cancel out, right? So zeros can cancel. What's 14 divided by 2? 7. Good. So 7 equals t. So now think about this for a second. Okay, here's your little person. Okay, here's my little person. Okay? And it's saying at 3 seconds and 7 seconds, she's 40 feet away from you. Okay, so here's you standing in the middle, and we want to know when is she 40 feet away on either side. So before she hits you and after she flies by you. Okay, and so at 3 seconds and 7 seconds, no matter what, wherever you want to look at it, before or after, it's going to be 40 feet away. That's what this means. Okay. All right, I'm going to give you one problem down here on the bottom. I just want you to go ahead and try. The absolute value of x minus 4 plus 7 equals 10. Okay, solve that real quick. All right, Maddie, what's the first step that you should do on this particular problem?
You should subtract the 7 from both sides.
Good. So the absolute value of x minus 4 equals 3. Okay. Link, what do we do now?
I did it into the two problems. I did x minus 4 equals negative 3 and x plus 4, x minus 4 equals 3.
Very good. Okay, so we've got the positive and the negative equation. Okay. All right, has anybody have a question on that so far? Doing good? All right, so then my last step, how am I going to solve this guy? What are we going to do there?
Add 4.
Good, and what do you get when you do that?
7.
Very good, and what about on the second guy there, what'd you get on that one?
Me?
Yeah.
Add 4, and I got 1.
Very good, so you should have got 7 and 1. Okay, does anybody have a question on that?
Can you just leave them in the boxes like that?
Yeah, then you have 2 answers. You're gonna get 2 answers. Remember, there's 2 ways that we can get to the same answer. So you're always going to have 2, it's either a no solution, when it's equal to a negative, right? A no solution, or you got 2 answers. Okay? Alright. Everybody okay? Okay. Alright, we're going to